Hello there everyone. I'm going to show you a near miss, how I almost crashed my drone, and why I've decided I'm only going to fly with my phone in airplane mode. Let's get to it. Let's take a quick look at some of the footage I got on the flight before I almost lost the drone. Practicing, I'm fairly new to the drone. I've probably been flying about 4 or 5 hours at this point, and was at the local park here just taking some footage, practicing a little bit around the river, practicing going around this playground and doing some different movements, some manual orbits, things like that. And then we're going to start the video here. We're going to move kind of towards the end where I realize that I'm almost out of power.
Low battery warning.
Yes, ma'am. Bringing it back. Oh no.
Alright, we're going to go ahead and pause there. Everything goes really bad, really fast. Let's start that part again. I'm getting a phone call.
Oh, I got my camera.
Low battery warning.
Yes, ma'am. Bringing it back.
Ironically enough, right when I got that phone call,
oh no,
it went into low battery. Yeah, this is me starting to panic. If you look right up here above the pavilion, this is me running frantically trying to figure out what to get to my drone. What happened when I got that phone call, it booted me out of the DJI app. Relatively not that big of a deal because normally you can just get in and reboot it. But right at the time that it started the reboot, I got that low battery warning. And the drone went into a return to home. As you can see right there, I'm right in visual line of sight, but at this point, I have no control over it in that I can't get into the app to cancel the return to home. And I'm afraid that maybe my home point wasn't set right, or that I had it set too high, because you can see it was only just a little bit away from me. And so the drone starts rising to the level of its return to home. Luckily, I wasn't underneath that tree in front of me, or it would have just lifted right up into that tree. So I'm frantically on my phone right now trying to figure out how to get this app to fire back up after my phone call booted me back out of the app. Finally, after a few minutes of complete panic right about here, I finally regained control of the drone, and I'm able to slowly lower it back into my hand. But you know, this just goes to show you, if you're using a phone, and this is one of the reasons I've actually decided I'm moving to a completely dedicated device with no phone service on it at all, just the Wi-Fi. If you're on your phone and it's a normal phone with cell service, go ahead and take the time, put it into airplane mode, and then go ahead and just turn on Wi-Fi only. So hopefully that helps you from losing a drone. Till next time everyone. See ya!